So this here is the brand new ECOVACS DEEBOT N8 Pro Plus. It's ECOVACS' latest robot cleaner and the first in their new N series product line. ECOVACS are pioneers of the all-in-one vacuum and mop-in-one go robots, and the new N series takes the best-selling features of DEEBOT robots today. The N8 Pro Plus leads this new lineup and aims to make cleaning your home effortless, and having used it for about 2 weeks now, it more than delivers on that promise. This DEEBOT features 2600 PA of suction power, an OZMO mopping system, advanced laser mapping capabilities to map your home, top-of-the-line object detection, and a fancy new auto empty station that stores up to a month worth of dirt and debris. If you're someone who is looking to truly automate the cleaning process in your home, the N8 Pro Plus here might be the robot cleaner that you're looking for. So let's dive in and see more of what it can do. What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and today we're going to be checking out the brand new ECOVACS DEEBOT N8 Pro Plus. This is a brand new, freshly announced high-end robot cleaner that I've had running around my home for a few weeks now. When ECOVACS reached out for me to give the N8 Pro Plus a try, I was really curious what it could do to benefit my life. The idea of automating the cleaning process in my home was something that has always been very enticing. Having a robot cleaner go around, sliding underneath the couch, and just doing its thing would save me a whole lot of time in theory. So when the N8 Pro Plus arrived, I was so eager to open it up and set it loose. Before we get ahead of ourselves though, let's rewind a little bit and unbox this robot so I can share with you guys everything that it came with. Once you take the N8 Pro Plus out of the box, you just need to attach the brushes and install the cleaning plate if you'd like to mop. That's it. That's all you need to do to assemble it. As you're seeing, the box is quite large, and that's because of that auto empty station, which also doubles as the home base for the robot. So you're gonna need to make sure that you have room to place that near an outlet. What's also neat is that the station has some cable management around the back, which in my world is a big deal. We all know how much I love to keep things nice and organized, so the fact that there is some type of cable management here is really great. Setting up the N8 Pro Plus was a breeze. Before you get started though, make sure to plug in that auto empty station and let the DEEBOT charge to 100%. From there, download the ECOVACS Home App to your smartphone, create an account, and follow the prompts to connect the robot to your Wi-Fi network. Next, open up all your room doors and prepare your space for the robot to map out the areas that you want routinely cleaned. I thought the mapping process was incredibly cool, as you can watch in the app in real time as the robot creates a floor plan of your home. Once the mapping process is done, that's it. That's all you need to do to get up and running. In fact, that's all you really need to do with the N8 Pro Plus in general. When I say this is a robot cleaner that is effortless, I mean it. If you set it on a schedule, you really don't have to worry much about it. You just let it do its thing. Even regular maintenance isn't much of an issue, as the parts are easily accessible to clean and or replace. The ECOVACS app, which controls everything here, is actually very intuitive. After it maps your home, it has a map of the floor plan that follows the robot around in real time and shows the route that it cleaned. If you don't want it to go all over the place, you can also set a customized area for it to only do a certain space. Additionally, the app also shows you battery life, lets you set a cleaning schedule, shows when parts need to be replaced, and allows you to change a variety of settings within the robot. While I would have loved some type of manual control here, the robot is more than smart enough to autonomously maneuver around things and covers almost everything that I needed to anyway, so I don't miss the manual controls as much as I thought I would. Speaking of cleaning, I actually found the N8 Pro Plus to do an awesome job at picking up dirt, grime, and debris from the floors and the carpets. Its 2600 PA of suction power makes it more than strong enough to dig deep into carpets and really just clean things all over. Despite that power, the robot is surprisingly quiet overall, so it's not much of a distraction when it's vacuuming the floors, but when it is on the carpet, auto boost kicks in for that extra suction power, so it does get a bit louder there. When it's done with its cleaning cycle, the N8 Pro Plus never had a problem at all returning back to the auto empty station, and when it does, it starts that auto empty process, which actually moves everything that it picked up into the dust bag in the station. What I also found to be pretty cool is that the robot actually mops and vacuums the floor in one go, so there's no need to vacuum the floor or prep it before mopping. Simply fill up the water tank, snap it in, install the cleaning cloth plate, and set it loose. When it was done, the N8 Pro Plus left my floor feeling nice and squeaky clean. I'm just very impressed with how well the N8 Pro Plus performs, navigates around things, and knows when to mop. Even though there wasn't any carpet here, the robot can detect what kind of surface it's on to either mop or not. Another thing worth mentioning that I thought was the cherry on top is the ability to work with Google Assistant and Alexa. When you set this up, you can simply tell your voice assistant to start vacuuming the room. Hey Google, vacuum the room.
Alright, starting race DEEBOT.
As far as battery life goes, I was able to get 89 minutes before the battery started getting low and it returned to the base. The job that it did was not an easy one by any means. It ran through 4 different rooms on my first floor, switched between carpet and different types of flooring, and avoided many different obstacles. For homes with an open floor plan, the N8 Pro Plus will have more than enough juice to get the job done a few times over. I was actually really surprised how much ground it covered despite how many obstacles we have lying around. It zipped around my first floor a few times over in each room during those 89 minutes. The N8 Pro Plus also has a smart charge continuous charging feature, which will actually allow it to return to the base to charge up just enough so it can get back out there to finish the job. It didn't do that here in my case, but it's there if you have a larger space. Overall, I found the N8 Pro Plus to be a near effortless home cleaner that does an awesome job at both vacuuming and mopping around your home. As mentioned, I don't have very much of an open floor plan around my home, so I was really surprised at how well it navigated around all the obstacles that it had to deal with. Alongside that, the app is simple and intuitive, the robot cleaned up messes with ease, and the auto empty station truly makes this a robot you really don't have to worry much about. Once the N8 Pro Plus is all set up and maps your space, there's really not much else that you need to do. If you have it on a schedule, you just let it do its thing and you don't have to worry about it until you have to change the dustbin in the station or need to clean or change a part on the robot. If you're looking to automate the cleaning process in your home, it doesn't get much simpler than the N8 Pro Plus. If you're interested in this robot, you can pick it up on Amazon for $699. It's a high-end, pricey robot, but it exceeded my expectations, and I think, in my opinion, it's more than worth it. Anywho, that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did and you liked what you saw, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. And until the next one, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.